Tula Baden. Mfana Kamalo. Welcome to Mozart Music, a platform where we exercise music. Ukula uko, we always break down the trying to get the message behind the song. We encourage you, give positive feedback. Basically, no, we post non-toxic Zion videos. What is up, bro? Spuyanganya. Hey, Sila. Guys, why didn't you share information? Why didn't you share? Like for real. Why didn't you share? So I haven't really gotten to watch the entire thing as yet. I think ngizoyiqedelela kahle today. Ngiyakhala ngizoyiqedelela kahle. Hey, mosibuya ngasikhathi ulensana presiding mathebula njengoba bekagcotshwa lapha. Hey, besibuya mos. I'm still waiting for more videos to pop up. And yes, of course, namabandla ayafika laphayana, we are going to do a separate reaction to them. But there's a specific part I want to react to it. Especially late in my life, I was like, yo, bro, I saw this thing from outside. Bazubangena, this thing made me go crazy. I was like, what? Like, yeah. So I was like, cool. Spamming a reaction, yeah, so, and the crazy part is, as Uka, me, myself, so crazy, if I could tell you, our family members who were there, yes. Like my dad, my uncles, my grandfathers, grandmothers, my aunties, some I don't even know. Some for sure, you understand? So, she reacted to inkonzo yokuphakamisa uDr. Rev First Lady, Dr. Rev no First Lady Mathebula. So, because I'm looking for a specific part, I just need to be careful mangiqala video ngithola. So, without wasting you guys' time, start right into it. And I keep asking you people, because this is one of the first churches before Inyoni broke down into two. So this is the one that broke down from the other one. Bruv, this is old school. There are kids as Zion who don't know who the Zion at a specific level. Baba figure good. There are kids abangazi into esoza exist. Nathi abanye abaqala ukuyibona ngami bayibona la. Ay. I'm too young for this, bro. Hey, me this is 2000, dog. I'm too young for this. I'm way like super young for all of this, bro. Like, bruv, like, yo. And the crazy part, it's that it's a neck down where they wear heads. I'm a mind you, right? But into bengihlezi ngiyibona kakhulu because it was it's a popular thing in my family. Eh, you see the rope that they have. There's two colors. Well, I have never seen a white one. There's blue and green. I don't know what they symbolize in terms of colors, but I know what they symbolize ubu bishop or ubufundis, right? Now, mind you, lento was senior pastor, what into zamanja, where they break it down to back then this thing never existed, all right? I just don't know the significance of the colors between the two. Basically, there's a white and a blue one. I forgot what the blue one, because well, I forgot what they both mean. But I know which must have when you have that one about rev, because my dad has one. So about rev. I don't know what the blue one symbolizes because there's a lighter blue one. I remember my aunt was still alive. I think it was back in not 11. Could be 2009 to 2011. Bokukude ekhanyeni okusha le Newcastle. Newcastle nje duze nase kwenye indawo esithandwe bathi kusedongeni. Closer to that place, somewhere there. Besinokuyibambela lapho ugudu wakhona. I remember my dad had that yeah, I think it was 2011. Yeah, I think it was 2011. My dad has that one. Now, the only thing engakayiboni was the head ceremony. Leso ukuthi okay, now for you to get a head funeka kube into ezinjani. Nakhona kuyahluka because njengoba ngisho ukuthi le inyoni, this is it's one of the first churches. Understand? Yeah, as time went on, some of these things it kind of died down and got switched up and akusafana before. But akusho ukuthi nale ndlela yamanje is wrong. Cha. Kodwa me specifically, nofika ukugugela la. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Like yabona enyonini. Guys, look, I want this, bro. I don't care. Le mina ngiyayifuna. Ukuthi ngiba umfundi angazi. But you know, you'll get a time in your life where uzofuba umfundisi. But this, I want this, guys. Hey, yo. I think I just wait. It is. Guys. Yo, damn. Okay. Njengoba ngiposte le video kunomkhulu phambi kwababa kunomkhulu phambi lo baba ume in front of the man that you are looking at right now next to ugogo ngapha. Lo mkhulu phambi that is my grandfather. That is my father's father. That is my father's father. That is my father's father. It is him. Bruv, it is him. It is him. Because I know my dad is in the beginning of this video. Like, le video my child. This one of my jacket ready. Oh yeah, what? That's my dad. He's like me. One of the people that just Makasenda wants to stand out. I don't know why. So same thing. Excuse me. Same thing with me. Now amongst abantu, I don't like blending in with people. I just like being different, but at the same time, you don't want attention. That is that. Damn, that is my father's father. You. Hey, stupid. Alright, guys, asambe social sokugeleza yona. Asambe sokugeleza yona. Asambe sokugeleza yona. Ay. Yo, hey, hey, guys, hey. I got too many families, though. I have too many family members everywhere. And I'm proud to say this. I am proud to say that I've been blessed. I've been blessed. I told people that, look, man, I didn't ask for this. I didn't ask to be born as Zion, but the older I get and the more in love I become as Zion. Someone that's fun, right? When we're talking about Zion royalty, I'm one of them, bro. And it's crazy. Why ngisho kanjalo? Lo mkhulu obamba isigqoko right now. That's my grandfather. That is my grandfather's younger brother, mkhulu fan. Stafafa nje, beautiful man. Swati titi. Titi. Lalela, mina ngesuthi bari ngiyapalwa. Sangishabe leswati. This man. Tam. Woo. Hey, but guys, sikho lapho. That's my grandfather. Nah, if I know. Insane, bro. Like, all I'm saying is that some of us will never make it to university. It's fine. Some of us are like I'm a graduate head enroller. It's fine. But I want to say, yo, that is definitely happening. Listen, I don't care who says what, bro. I don't care. Like I don't care. Like I don't care. Like I don't care. That was nice. Woo! Yeah. Hey. Oh no, one more time. Oh no, 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 no. Ow, insane, bruh. This is insane. Yo, yo. Ay. That's the fun now, you know? That's fun now. I know with most, but I have to say it this way. Hold on. You know, my grandma, my grandmother, I miss that woman so bad. My grandmother used to say, I condemn Nandi being at a place where you know you belong. I condemn Nandi doing the things that you're supposed to do and they feel good and they feel right because that's what you should do. My grandmother used to say, all she has ever wanted, that's Kata Konzo Zayon, was this hat. Like, bruv, she's been gone for a year now, right? And you see this. This is one of the hats I'm gonna take for myself and go frame it and be like, Nam one day, football you would have seen my grandmother. I forget let's talk. Yes, yes. My mom, yarr, is even the most beautiful thing, bruv. The pride. Oh, yeah, and plastic. The pride my grandmother had whenever she wore that. Abe clean ashaya ijoint yakhe bekakhonza khanye nokusha. Abe clean ashaya ijoint yakhe abe blue and white. Phathe nehandkerchief emhlophe. Athi icathulo ezimhlophe. That was my grandmom, my grandmother. And honestly speaking, I wouldn't be doing justice if I also don't go that way. I don't go the same path. I wouldn't be doing her any justice. I wouldn't be doing my grandfather justice. I wouldn't be doing my father, my uncles. I wouldn't be doing them justice, bro. Yeah, cool. I'm from a different era. I'm from an era where we want a lot of things. We like a lot of things. But I I I guys, I cannot die outside Zion. I can't. I just can't, bruh. I can't. That tone and that bar. If I begin, hey, look, man, I'm trying to go over there. You understand? Yeah, I'm not a fan of Bible, but hey, guess what? Couldn't have this. Ow! All you eat, sleep, and drink was Bible. But outside from that, it's one thing to know the Bible. It's one thing to live as a genuine person. I'm not saying that as a person you're not gonna make mistakes. You will. Come on, bro. We're gonna make mistakes. I'm sure to any relationship, friends, family. You're going to. It's gonna happen. Imoto at some point breaks down. Right. So point is, those who still have abakok and abomkul, soak as much information as you can about this Zion. Because right now, I'm not gonna say it now, but I'll say this Katmasi um plans and everything. Right now I just don't want to say it. Soak every information you can about this Zion. Soak it. Soak it in. Ingene, iphone. Right now we have cell phones. It's gonna be easier now to put it rather than just putting it on paper, to put it on the web and it's there forever. Understand that we have media now. It's easier now. Let's do that. Let's reserve Zion of it. I don't like how the history of Zion is diminishing in front of our eyes. I understand. I don't like the fact that some of the pioneers, some of the best singers, Abasa Zion died. We didn't even know about them. And I'm gonna make it my obligation to find out. So in terms of Yenza, this is part of it. It's not the whole thing. In terms of Yenza, on TikTok, I'm going to start asking questions as Zion music videos and I'm gonna make sure that I get answers so that says ukuthi usibani bani bekenza ini nani nani, because it is not fair. It is not fair ukuthi in SA people put in the work and when they die we forget about them, or only specific people know about them. As understanding ukuthi we come from different background and different churches, sure, but at the end of the day we're doing the same thing. Yeah, understand. We have to know about it. For instance, le leader yase Guardian, when he died, I didn't even know about it. I found out saying found out this year that he died. Yeah, I found out this year, 2025. I was talking to my dad. I was like, hey man, nice man time. Hey, I wonder if Guardian you drop in Albert. My dad was like, Gopi. Oh, yeah, confirm my time because I was watching the video. There was one video I was watching, and I go to the comments, rest in peace. Yeah, it was this year. Yeah, it was this year. And I asked him, I was like, "Hey, time, this man, did he die? Baba Mateo, COVID." I'm like, COVID. I'm like, I didn't even know. I understand. Isn't this Jalo? It's patently because people dedicate so much, and their names get forgotten. That's what I don't like. For instance, I always talk about Tubabuntanda because I love that man. I don't know much about him. I've met him 4 or 5 times. But every time I'm born, yeah, you would hug him in. And that's my mom. My mom will tell you. But I don't know much about him, his history, or anything, where he comes from, nothing. And we have to do justice to them, we have to cover each and every single individual. Right now, it may take a while, but we have to make sure that we preserve our history. I understand it's the technology, man. Let's preserve Zion. Zion is a beautiful culture, bro. It is by far one of the craziest thing you would ever see. I understand the level of acceptance Oyitola is Zion, it's different from everyone. That is why I'm up to Soweto or so Orange Farm, Party Hub, I'm a Zion, bruh. Because that's where they are, young Ton. So let's preserve Zion. Let's save the history. Young Kinte Palepansi, type it, send it to me. I don't mind narrating a story about a certain individual. I don't mind, which is something I'm looking forward to do. It's gonna take a while, guys, before I have everything. But ngizoyi break it down instead of trying to do everything. And I'm not gonna interview Amabandla la. No, I want to start from la bona baqale khona. Before kuba believers, before kuba living, before kuba river. That's what I want. Where did they start themselves as young men who's a holy that they are today? We have to start from when they were still our age. At least with them, we have info because there were people before them. Now they tell us about them when they were our age. And be like, Mkhulu Sbanban. That Mkhulu Sbanban was born somewhere in the 1800s. He's gone now. But we have Labis now. So let's make it our job as the younger generation to preserve Zion. Zion needs to be preserved, guys. I understand. Kunabantu abangazi ukuthi inyoni sifaka ico. Oh, did you know? They didn't know about that. There's a few things that we know. You understand? And laba ebasaphatha njengoba ngisho those ebasasenenhlanhla ukuba nabogogo nabomkhulu ebasaseZion ebakhulele khona and are still there. Soak all the information you need. Every book, because I know madam, there's a book lapha kubo ingoma zomvumo zonke zilaphaya. And I'm like, bruh, preserve that book. If take pictures if you have to, take pictures and send it to me. So I'll Skat Masia, guys. I will create a website. I will create a website that will have information. I mean information, and I am determined. I am determined to make this stick and work so that Nabama Bazugulu know who they are, know where they come from, know where we come from. You understand? So yo, man. I'm just passionate about it. You know, I'm really, really passionate about it, and I really want to make sure that it lasts. So yo, in the favorite word of Street Jupiter, adios.